Alright, let's hope this works. Because if not, I'm gonna cry. Let's go ahead and get into these clothes. Right now we're gonna start with Fashion Nova clothes just because it's the least amount I have. So first we're gonna start with these shoes. Right here. See them? I hope you can see them. Anyways, they're like, I don't know. They got the point heel, you know, 4-inch heels. Some type of texture. I don't even know what you call this, like quilted in a way. I don't know. It says it has memory foam inside of it, and it kind of does. But you know, if you stand on it long enough, it's not going to really help. But yeah, I got these. Put them back on my rack. Alright, so hopefully this is fine for in front of the camera. I got this white dress. It's long sleeve. It's really long. Like really long. This is like my first try on and everything too. Ooh, this feels good. This is winter quality, y'all. This feels good. It has like a little turtleneck. Okay, let's go ahead and attempt to put this on. It has like 2 layers on it, so it's not see-through. Bonus, because I hate see-through stuff. This feels good. It goes all the way. Oh wow, I like this. I like it a lot. Sorry about my hair. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, maybe. But this feels good. This is like, you know, I don't know. You just like, let's go out. And you're like, it's cold outside. Hopefully you can see me a little bit better this time, you know, just a little bit. But yeah, it goes all the way down to my knees. Spit it. Feels good. All right. Next one is black. I don't know if it's the same one. It's not, it wasn't named the same thing, but you know. Okay, yeah, this is definitely the same thing. That one was like more furry and like warm. This one's more like, I don't know how to describe. Whoa, I don't know. How's it look? I don't know. I was prepared, but not really prepared for this, you know. Let me see if I can see the back. Okay. I don't know. Can you see the back? You know. It's cute or whatever. It's cute, you know. I don't know, I like it. You can put this like with anything. Try me, okay? If you got a big butt, you're gonna rip it. I have this yellow dress, kind of. Well, it's like, it says mustard, so yeah, it's more mustard than yellow. But this is like a springtime dress. This is cute, and then it has like slits, and you know, if you want to be cute or whatever. This is my favorite one. Next, we're going into Honey Bum. This little snake print bodysuit, because you know snake print is in right now. So I got this. So let's see what this looks like with the jeans that I bought. Oh, it has a little thumb thing. I don't know if I like that. I feel like my hair is just everywhere and I can't do anything about it. This is ugly. Ew. Can I return this? Does this still have the tags on it? Did it even come with a tag? Oh my gosh, this is why I hate when companies take so long to ship stuff. Okay, I don't like this. I'm taking this off. Cute in the pictures, it was cute. Ugh. So next we're going into this little blue dress. Okay. It has like this little thing. Okay, I like this. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I like this. Yes, I do. I like this. You got another black brunch dress. When they sent me this, I was like, oh, so all the black stuff today is just gonna be runched, I guess. This one's longer than the blue one and tighter, but it feels good, honestly. I'm not mad at it. I don't know. Just putting it on is a struggle. Taking it out gonna be a struggle. So, yeah, but I like how it feels. Most definitely would wear this. Where? I don't know. Somewhere. I'll wear it somewhere. I'll find a place to wear it. I'm gonna wear it with Savannah when she comes here. We're gonna go out. Because hopefully it'll still be cold. Yes. Got some blue jeans. And I got some black jeans. These are dark blue. These are black. I needed both of them. Ooh. And these Oh, these are cute. These are cute. I like these. Ooh, these feel good. I'm gonna insert a picture of this other shirt and pair of jeans that I bought. The jeans are from Boohoo, and I love Boohoo jeans. Like, come through. And also a shirt that I bought from PacSun. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that. And then we're gonna come back to this one that I got from PacSun. Like, what? Who sells Colorado t-shirts? I think the first one I saw, it said like Calabasas or whatever. And then she was like, you see the one that said Colorado? And I was like, what? I'm from there. Give it to me now. So this is what I got. Ew, I bet y'all think you want this. Yeah, I think that's all I got. That's new. Oh, we go ahead and look at my makeup too. I got some Milk stuff. So as you know, I'm kind of addicted to Milk Cosmetics, and I keep buying anything that they release. And if you know, they came over with a blueprint stack, and I went ahead and ordered it. And this is a little box that it came in. So we're gonna open it. Cool. Alright. Okay. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Hopefully you can see it. If not, I'll just re-record it and let you see it. And this is the stack. It's blue. If you ordered it early before they sold out of the blue colored ones, then yeah, you got it like I did. Yeah, this is it. It has all the names, the colors of the names on the back like usual. And unlike the other stacks that are like single colors, these are like bro, they broke my palette. No! It's just that one? Oh my gosh. That was the most important color. This thing is like, I haven't even used this or opened it. I haven't done anything with it yet and it's broke. Oh my gosh. Because it's supposed to be two. It's supposed to be this blue and this other blue. Now I have to return it and they'll probably just give me the black one. And I wanted the blue one. Whatever. Came out with 3 liquid lipsticks. And I'll just insert a picture of what they look like because I'm not about to open them. But they came with 3 liquid lipsticks too. That was just a lot. It got on my nails. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm about to go email customer service so they could give me another one. Whatever. See you later. Like, comment, subscribe.